Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be taking you on a room tour and hotel tour of the Wilderness Lodge over at Disney. Once again, we are staying at the DVC Disney Vacation Club area, which was so nice. It's our first time staying here, and it is called the Cascade Cabins. We've seen lots of videos and pictures, so we were very pumped. The entrance is very similar, but instead of going straight down to the lobby, you will be turning to the right, and there will be a white gate to the left that you open with your Magic Band or your phone, because now you can open it with your phone. And then I'll show you guys how the parking lot looks. Well, as soon as we parked, we found this grill and barbecue area with a basketball court, which was pretty nice. It had some information there that I didn't look at. And a little further down, there was the map of the resort area where you can see the lobby and the pool. Similar to the beach club, it's not a super far walk. Thankfully, you just cross the street from where the parking lot is, and that's where the cabins are. Ours was one of the last few, so we were very close to the parking lot. A little bit longer walk to the lobby, but it wasn't as bad as the Animal Kingdom Lodge if you saw my previous video, which is a 10 to 15 minute walk. This to the lobby was like a 5-minute walk, and it's very nice because there's so many trees, so it's a very shaded area and it's not too hot, so it was a nice and pleasant walk. So something that these new hotel rooms have is a Murphy bed, and so you have to be very well aware that there are hidden beds around the hotel rooms. Not all of them have them. As you can see, the beach club only had one. This has so many. We have this one here and then another one in the living room, so just keep an eye out because you can definitely fit a lot more people than you expect. And as you can see, my favorite part of this room was this nook. It got a lot of attention and I spent a lot of time there. What I really loved is that yes, the windows can open. I struggled a little bit at the beginning. And as you can see at the bottom, you have some drawers for extra space. As I said, the walk to the lobby is very easy and quick. You just go straight down and it's about a 5-minute walk, and it was 5 minutes for us because we took our sweet time. We were looking at everything, looking at all the cabins. They seem to be the same, just different colors. I'm not sure if the layout is a little different. We ran into some bunnies, so it's a lot to look around. There's also a grill coming up that you could use with a couple of instructions as well. To the left-hand side, if you take this bridge, it takes you over to the other DVC area. Kind of confusing. They have another DVC building for the villas as well as the cabins, so that's literally right next to you. And you can also see the hotel rooms where you stay as a guest if you're not from DVC. Here it is right here, showing you that it's very close by, kind of like the beach club, so it's not a super long and far walk. And as soon as you arrive, there's a cute little area outside where they have a couple of games for you to play. You pass the pool, and I'll just let you enjoy the rest of it, but I just wanted to say that this hotel has Whispering Canyon, which I love. If you've never been, you have to experience it because it's a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun when we went, and they have amazing breakfast. I didn't go for lunch, but I remember it was really good, but obviously now with COVID, I don't know if things have changed. So definitely check them out because I love their breakfast. You have to check this hotel out as well during Christmas time because the lobby gets decorated so nice. They also have a Roaring Forks, I think is what it's called. It's a quick service. As soon as you enter the lobby, right where I'm going to enter, you go to the right, and they have quick service, and they had a lot of treats and desserts for the 50th anniversary, so that was pretty cute. We caught a couple of them. And there's also a restaurant, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Artist Point. We used to go there all the time to get like the best salmon when it was in season, but unfortunately I think the menu has changed and now it is a sit-down dinner with characters, so we didn't go back this time. But thank you so much for joining me again during these room tours. We have one last video coming up in a couple of days, which will be the Polynesian Bungalows Hotel room tour, which was my favorite, but this one also took the cake. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!